How to turn posters into beautiful, glamorous wall art on a budget. Interested? Just keep on watching. I started this project with a DIY wooden canvas frame that I purchased online. It came with all of the necessary hardware to assemble and to hang it. It has self-adhesive strips, which make it real easy to put together. The wooden frame provided an affordable way to hang an oversized piece of art compared to spending literally hundreds for a picture frame. You just have to lay out the pieces and make sure that they align correctly. Once the poster was mounted to the frame with the adhesive strips, I began attaching the provided corner braces, which ensure extra stability, which was really important for this oversized poster. These little grooves are here for these metal brackets to go in to secure the frame even further. I trimmed off the excess canvas on the corners to reduce bulk. The sides looked really unfinished to me, therefore I purchased these PVC strips to cover the edges. I stood them up in my miter box and gave them a 45-degree cut so they could line up well. Once that was done, I spray painted them with Rust-Oleum metallic gold. I secured the PVC strips to the frame with liquid nails and then let everything dry overnight. Now comes the fun part of elevating this canvas to an absolute glamorous showpiece. For that I used these mirrored tiles, which measure 12 by 12 as a whole and 12 by approximately 1¼ when separated. They already come with a strong self-adhesive backing, making it very convenient. Since the perimeter of the frame did not accommodate 12-inch pieces all around, I had to fill in the gaps. I used 2 by 2-inch mirror tiles, which I had left over from another project. And since these aren't self-adhesive, I used this clear double-sided tape to mount them. Even though the corners looked okay, I added rhinestone trim for a more polished and glamorous finish. And here's the finished look. Absolutely stunning, don't you agree? For the next project, I followed the same exact steps as in the first project. Except this time I used gold poster board from Hobby Lobby cut into strips. Here you can see how simple it is to attach the wooden strips with adhesive to the canvas. I then trimmed off the corners as I had done in the previous project. To mount the gold poster board strips to the sides of the canvas, I used this extra strength spray adhesive. I also embellished the corners of this artwork with the rhinestone pieces on the corners because these two art pieces will be in adjacent rooms. But I wasn't quite done yet. I'm showing you here what the art looks like up close. When I ordered it, I thought it was metallic gold, and it's actually just like a matte beige color. So I decided to embellish it with this gold deco color pen from Walmart. It works really great. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see the shine, but I've already started to embellish it there on the sides. Everywhere where that goldish tan color was, I embellished it with the metallic gold. And here you can see up close as I was doing this, just putting small strokes of this metallic color into those beige areas to give it more of a shine. If you want a Z Gallery inspired piece of art but don't want to spend hundreds, you can keep it simple by purchasing a similar piece of canvas art such as this. I simply trimmed off the white border with a pair of scissors and had placed it into this 24 by 36 inch frame from Ikea. This gold frame is fairly new and available now. And lastly, you can purchase an already mounted piece of canvas art and embellish it with other things, as I have done here. If you've been subscribed and been following me for a while, you saw me featuring this picture in my home office tour. I simply glued this beautiful hydrangea flower to a hat, and these Dollar Tree crystals made an adorable necklace. This totally elevated the whole look and definitely added so much glam. I hope I've inspired you to try different things with art pieces you may already have, or found some ideas on how to elevate them to make your home as beautiful as it deserves to be. I will be featuring most of these in some upcoming room makeovers, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss out. I thank you all for watching. You are awesome, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.